So good morning once again, everyone. In the last class, we have started the topic division of algebraic expressions by these other one. So in that we have seen first case of monomial by monomial, and then we have seen a polynomial division by another polynomial. In the last example, it was not completed. Let us take that again. Example number 15. Divide 44 x power 4 minus 5x cube minus 24 x square by, one second, Rahil and Anthony. Okay, one second. By 11x x minus 8. So you can understand, in this case, this is your numerator and this is your denominator. So like this is your numerator. Yes, Saurabh, you can rejoin. I don't know what happens, what is happening with your connection. So this is numerator, this is your denominator. If you want, you can write them together and solve them together. But if you want to simplify the numerator first and then you want to divide, that is also fine. So we will take numerator first. So we can say solution, we have 44 x power 4 minus 5x cube minus 24 x square. Sir, numerator all terms are x square. Yes, beta. If you observe, first term is x power 4, second term is x power 3, and third term is x power 2. So we can take common x power 2 from all of them. So it will become 44 x square, and inside we will have x square minus 5x minus 24. So now the question comes, is this the final simplification? Is it completely simplified? Class, please answer. It is not completely simplified because we have a quadratic equation. This kind of equation where we have a power 2 is known as quadratic equation. And if we understand, it will not take identity 1 to 3. Class, if you observe, 24 is not a square of any number. It cannot take identity 1, 2 and 3. That means we can utilize number 4 identity, that was comparing with x square plus a plus b x plus ab is equal to x plus a x plus b. Right now we cannot compare because here we have plus sign, here we have negative sign, so we cannot compare right now. First we have to make the question comparable. So let's make it. So we will rewrite the question, rewriting as 44 x square bracket x square plus minus 5x plus minus 24. Class, is this correct? Now are they comparable? We have just rewrote the main equation in such a form so that they can be comparable. Yes, class? Please answer. Are they comparable now? Okay. So now tell me, what is the value of a plus b? A plus b equal to how much? If you compare, first term is same to same, then plus plus, then we have a plus b in bracket and what in bracket? Minus 5. Similarly, ab equal to how much? AB equal to how much? Please answer. It is minus 24. So before taking the values, you have to make sure the equations are comparable or not. Now to find the value of a and b, we will prime factorize 24 and make a pair. So 2 12s are 2 6s are 2 3s are 3 1s are. First tell me what is the nature? What is the nature of numbers? Vardhan, very good. Are these both number positive, both number negative? Please tell me. Both positive, both negative, one positive, one negative, or one negative, one positive. Tell me which case? Second, third, or fourth? Please tell me. You are saying one positive, one negative. Yashna, why both negative, beta? If both are negative, can you get the product negative in that case? Yashna, if both are negative, can you ever get the product as negative? If sum is negative, product is negative, that means one is positive, one is negative. Now tell me, amongst these two, which case you will go for? Positive is larger or negative is larger? Please tell me. Because the sum is negative. The sum is negative and we know answer is coming in negative. That means the larger one is negative 1. So this is the case. Fourth one. These three are not the case. So we are sure the numbers that we will form in that negative one will be larger and positive one will be smaller. That's it. Let's see. So now tell me what are the numbers. We want sum to be minus 5 and product to be 24. If I take 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 and 3. 8 minus 3 I know is 5. Yes, Joel, very good beta. So we will go for A as minus 8 and B as 3. That is sufficient. So we will say, just put the values. We can write as 44 x square plus minus 8 plus 3x plus minus 8 into 3. I hope everyone is clear how I rewrote the constants in such a way so that I can use identity number fourth easily, and the answer is x minus 8 into x plus 3. Any doubts till this point? Especially Prisha, please answer. Sir, please repeat. Yashna. Okay, Yashna, you were clear till this point? How I found this value? A equal to minus 8, B equal to 3. Please answer. Yashna, were you able to understand? Okay. After this, what I did is I rewrote this minus 5. Yashna, I rewrote this minus 5 as minus 8 plus 3. And I rewrote minus 24 as minus 8 into 3. That's it. And after that, we can say by this formula, if you are able to write a equation in this form, then it can be factorized directly to this thing, that is x plus a into x plus b. That's it. And by this formula only, I wrote it as this x minus 8 and x plus 3. Now tell Ashna, is this clear? First, I have tried to write this in the fourth identity form, and after that, I have written the factorized form because this was not the factorized form. This is factorized form. Now we are ready for the division class. Now we are ready for the division. So according to the question, we can write we have to find 44 x square x minus 8 x plus 3 divided by, we had to divide this dividend by a divisor which was 11x x minus 8. And now you will observe how easy it is to solve this. You will see this x minus 8 and x minus 8 are exactly same, so we can cut them. Okay, I have told you you cannot cut if there is a plus minus sign, but overall if they are same to same and getting multiplied to something, they can be cancelled. So this 11 will cut this 44, and we have x and x square. Class, we have understood this thing. If we have x square above and x below, what will happen? It can be written as x power 2 minus 1, and the answer will be x power 1 only. So we can cut this power 2 only and we can leave the x over there. It is just a notation that we have cut the power 2. Okay, and the final answer is, therefore solution is 4x x plus 3. So Prisha, I hope you are able to understand the whole process. Yashna, you too, you had some doubts in between. Please answer. Is it clear to everyone? Please answer. Okay. Okay. Hiteshri, Prisha, all understood. Okay, good. Now, I hope Saurabh, you also understood this question. Saurabh, please answer. Now we can take the last part also. We can take. Okay, let's take that. Hmm. The last example, example number 16. I have what you said, devote a lot of time in these examples just to make sure that you people are able to solve the exercise questions on your own. Okay, so don't let me down. Please solve those questions on your own. If you have not done in this weekend, please do it today also. The question is, divide z, then 5z square minus 80 by 5z z plus 4. Some people call z as z, so no issue. If you want to call it z, it is your choice. So again, before understanding anything, we have to see this is our numerator, this is our denominator. If you want, you can write them together and solve them in each step. If you are not what you say confident that it will be very what you say complicated, very complex to see, so you can solve them separately and finally you can divide them, that is also fine. Okay, so first we will take, so we will write like this. We have numerator like this equal to z 5z square minus 80, and we will think, can we simplify this? Can we take anything common in this? We will think like that. Yes class, please answer. Is there anything common inside the bracket? Is there anything common inside the bracket? Please answer, class. Nothing is common. Okay, z is not common because z is here only, that is not here, but 5 is there, 80 is there, and we have learned this thing. Wherever we have a 0 or 5 at the end of a number, that number is divisible by 5. So we can take 5 common from 80 as well. So z 5 will come out, and what is left inside? Z square, then we have a minus sign, and for 80 what will we write? 5 ones are 5, 3 0 30, 5 6 are 30. So you can see suddenly things became very clear. Earlier we were not able to apply any formula in this bracket thing, but as soon as we took this 5 common, as soon as we took this 5 common, things became very clear. Now what comes to your mind after seeing this bracket? What comes to your mind after seeing this bracket? What comes to your mind? Number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Which identity is coming to your mind after seeing this? Which identity? Number first, second, third, or fourth? This was the third identity, which was a square minus b square. So you can say, we can write this as z into 5 into z whole square minus 4 whole square, bracket close. Comparing with a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. First, we have to write what we have got. This a is equal to what? Class, please compare and tell me a equal to what? If you compare these two, what is the value of a? The squares are comparable and a is z. Similarly, b equal to how much? B is equal to how much? Rachit, why is it 5 beta? We are comparing with this thing only, na, the square bracket one. So B is 4. We can write this as 5z in bracket z plus 4 and z minus 4. And I think it is completely simplified. It cannot be further simplified. I think so. What do you say? Is this completely simplified now? Class, is this completely simplified? Yes. So now, according to the question, we can write, we have to find 5z, z plus 4, z minus 4 divided by what? What do we have? 5z, z plus 4. So you can see now how easy it is to solve such questions if you know the simplification techniques. So 5 will cancel 5, z will cancel z, z plus 4 will cancel z plus 4, and the answer is z minus 4. This is the answer or your quotient, you can say, after division. Okay. Now we can take some questions. You can ask your doubts in 14.3, those who have attempted, so that others find it helpful. Exercise 14.3. Please ask class if any doubts in question number 1. If any doubts in question number 1, you can ask. In this question, they are saying carry out the following divisions. They are simple questions, monomial by a monomial. Class, any doubts in this question? It is a simple one, monomial by a monomial. Simply you have to cut only in these questions. Please ask if there is any doubt. Anyone who wants to ask, please ask. If you're not asking, let me take one part of this question. Let us take fifth part. Fifth part is saying 12 a power 8 b power 8 divided by minus 6 a power 6 and b power 4. So you can observe this is a monomial and this is a monomial. Class, sir, please repeat. What beta? Smrithi, what you want to repeat me? Last example you want to repeat? Beta, try to answer at that time only, na? Because we have started, then you are saying. Okay, tell me from which part you want to understand. Were you able to understand this simplification process? Smriddhi, were you able to understand this simplification process? Okay. Sakshi, you also? After that, what we have done? Yes, after that, we have written the question only. Question was said, you have to divide. Question was this, na? Let me show you the question again. Question was this. Z into 5z square minus 80 divided by 5z, z plus 4. What I have done is, I have taken the numerator separately. Smriddhi and Sakshi, I have taken the numerator separately like this and I have simplified it, or you can say I have factorized it. After factorizing, I have got this term, this one, 5z into z plus 4, z minus 4. Now I have just done the question which is saying divide this thing by 5z, z plus 4. That is why I have written according to the question. Question was this thing, that you have to divide z 5z square minus 80 by 5z, z plus 4. That's it. What I've done is I have simplified this numerator and this denominator is already simplified. I have cancelled the things and I've got the answer. Answer is z minus 4. Sakshi, is this clear? Samriddhi got it. Do you have any doubts now? Sakshi, please answer. Okay. Now, this was the fifth part of question number one, in which both are monomial. Very simple. You have to write like this: 12 a power 8 b power 8 upon minus 6 a power 6 b power 4. We know if there is p power m upon p power n. Class, we have understood this thing. If the same base has power m and n and they are in division, then how can we write them? We can write them as p power m minus n. Similarly, if they are multiplying p power m into p power n, we can write this as p power m plus n. These are rules of exponents. We will read these rules again in that chapter of exponents and powers. They are very simple. So if same numbers are getting divided, powers will subtract. So in this case, if you see, you have 6 and 12. So 6 ones are, Joel, you are correct. 6 twos are. First thing. Second thing, a power 6, a power 8. What do you say? What will remain? Let me write like this. So minus 2, a power 8 is there, a power 6 is there. Either you can cut the powers and write 2 over there, or you can show like this, the proper thing, a power 8 minus 6. This is the proper way to write. And similarly, b power 8 minus, class please answer, 4. By this formula, we have used this thing, and finally we can write the answer as minus 2 a power 2 b power 4. This is the answer. So this was your monomial division. Okay, Shreya, you are correct, but you forgot to write minus 2 in the starting. All of you are clear about this question? All are clear? Any issue? Please answer. Okay, let me take question number 2 now, because monomial division is simple for you. You can just solve easily. Question number 2. In question number 2, we have divide the given polynomial by monomial. Again, a simple one. Let me take one part for you. Suppose we take um, fifth part only, or we can take, I think fifth will be better. Question number 2, third part. Okay, let us take third part. But Hiteshi, this is simple one, na? This is same as the example that we have done. It just looks, what you say, complicated one, but it's very easy. X cube y square z square plus x square y cube z square plus x square y square and z cube divided by 4x square y square and z square. Simple question. If you want, you can solve the numerator separately and then divide. And if you are comfortable writing them together again and again, that is also your choice. But make sure you have to follow one of the two methods. Either you write them separately and simplify separately and then divide, or you keep them together in each step and then solve. So let's do like that. If you observe in these three terms, what is common? X square is common, y square is common, and z square is common. It is coming in all the terms. So we can take out x square, y square, and z square, and we have to write now what is left behind. So please tell me, class, what is left in the first, what will we write at the first term place? We will write only x. In the second term, we will write only y, and in the third term, we will write only z. Upon we have 4 x square, y square, z square. So if you see, they are exactly same, so they will cut each other. No difference of power, we can directly cut them. If you want to do by difference also, that is also fine, because x power 2 minus 2 is x power 0, and that is 1 only. So whether you write like this or you cut like directly, they both are same thing. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Okay, so answer is twice x plus y. No, no, Simriddhi, no, don't jump like this. Answer is twice bracket x plus y plus z, not x y z. Okay. Smriddhi, answer is not x, y, z, it is x plus y plus z. Okay. Now, Let us take it is 908, so we can do one more question. Let's take question number 3. Let's take one part of question number 3 also, and I hope you all will try these questions today in your classwork copy as a homework and complete this on your own. Let us take mm, mm, they are also not that tough. We can take fifth part of this also. In fifth part we have 96 ABC, 96 ABC in bracket 3a minus 12, and again a bracket 5b minus 30, divided by, what do we have, 144, a minus b, sorry, a minus 4 and b minus 6. So class, to solve this question we need to see, can we take anything common in these two? What is common in the first bracket, please tell? In the first bracket 3 is common because 3a minus 12, we have 3a minus 12, so we can take 3 as common. So 96 ABC, 3 will come out of this one, it becomes a minus 4. Now tell me what will we take common from these two? 5b minus 30. Yes. No, Yashna, please observe what is common in 5b minus 30. 5 is common, yes. So 5 is common, and what is left inside? B minus 6 upon, we have 144, a minus 4, b minus 6. Now let us write them together. 96, 3 and 5. Then we have a minus 4, b minus 6 upon 144, a minus 4, b minus 6. So I have rearranged the numbers by the property known as commutative property. So we can cancel a minus 4, we can cancel b minus 6. What about these? I think 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So we can cut by 3 also. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 24 is there. So 96 ABC will come. I don't think that is cancelled already, beta. Let us see 48 and 96. If you observe, 48 twos are 96. If you observe, if you're not observing, you can cut by 2 also. So 48 ones are 48 twos are. I think only thing left is 2 and 5 in multiplication. So answer is 10. Class, please confirm. Is this correct? Harshul, you have done some mistake in this thing. You will further simplify it, you will get the answer. Answer is 10 only. Others, please check. Is it correct? Please check. So this way we can, Yuvraj is saying 10 ABC. Let me check. Is there any mistake? 14.3, question number 3. 14.3. Question number 3, fifth part. They are saying 10 ABC only. Why we have ABC? Okay, sorry. I didn't write that. It was my mistake. After this, we had a ABC also. My mistake, sorry. Here we had a ABC. So answer is 10 ABC. Okay, so this is the answer. Yes, thank you, Aryan. Thank you, Yuvraj, for reminding this thing. So now we can stop this recording and let's do it tomorrow.